Morning folks, it's Gary here, local handyman get home improvements here in Kings Alls in Aberdeen. Just doing a little review of Optimaxx 5.0 times 88 screws that we got from Tool Talk. I'll just show you in a second. So at the moment I'm going to be testing the Optimaxx 5.0, which is this one here, clay, next to a similar one from a yellow brand. I'm not saying who they are, and another one from a brand that's something gold. We'll put them all in a post and see which one works out better. So these are just down to the post here, they're roughly about the same length, so these are the ones I've tried now. So goes in really good. Kind of struggle at the end. And last one is Optimaxx. I think the first start was user error, but no, it went in really good in the depth. It really went in and gripped the wood very, very tight. Yeah, so again, the Optimaxx screws, use them, they're really good. It really pulled into the wood. I expect if I had two bits of wood together, it would pull them really tight. I think it helps with the shank and the way it goes, it just pulls itself right into the end. And again with the head. The other brand, the yellow brand, was really well, and the other one, the gold brand, was it was sticking a little bit. But no, I like the Optimaxx screws. I'd get them again. Thanks.